Welcome to JD's Prep. In this video, we take a look at how biofuels are used as an energy source. Let's first read the information given to us that we will use to answer some questions. Here we are given a small paragraph titled Biomass Energy. Biomass is the term for all living or recently living materials coming from plants and animals that can be used as a source of energy. Biomass can be burned to produce heat and used to make electricity. The most common materials used for biomass energy are wood, plants, decaying materials, and wastes, including garbage and food waste. Burning the wood and plant matter does produce some air pollutants. Biomass contains energy that originally came from the sun. Some biomass can be converted into liquid biofuels. These biofuels can be used to power cars and machinery. Let's take a look at our first problem. In a community before biomass is widely used as an energy source, several experts, including an ecologist, are hired to provide specific information. The ecologist would most likely be asked about 1. The cost of producing the fuel compared with the profit when this fuel is sold. 2. Whether the fuel will be widely accepted by consumers. 3. What effect the production of the fuel will have on the environment. Or 4. The time it will take to produce large amounts of the fuel. Ecologists are scientists who study the behaviors and interactions of organisms or human behaviors and how they will affect their environment. The option closest to this description is option 3. What effect the production of fuel will have on the environment. Let's take a look at the next problem. Explain why biomass is considered a renewable energy source. If you recall, in the paragraph, it states that biomass contains energy that originally came from the sun. Ultimately, that is why biomass is considered a renewable energy source, because its energy comes from the sun. Also, this biomass comes from plants, which are autotrophic, meaning that they feed from the sun. Let's take a look at the last part. State one specific advantage and one specific disadvantage of the use of biofuels as an energy source. We're going to take our information from the given paragraph. One advantage we find in the last two sentences, which are some biomass can be converted into liquid biofuels. These biofuels can be used to power cars and machinery, and that is one advantage. The disadvantage here is stated where it talks about burning the wood and plant matter does produce some air pollutants, and that is one of the disadvantages. Thanks for visiting JD's Prep.